Can old generator be integrated with PV Genset controller? Hi, I am Shaf Ali from ICSS Engineering. We specialize in solar SCADA and control systems required for safe and productive integration of grid-tied renewable solar energy in existing power infrastructures of industrial and commercial applications. Grid-tied inverters cannot differentiate between old or new generators as long as following electrical parameters are within acceptable range of the inverter. Frequency must be between the over frequency and under frequency set point defined in the inverter. Voltage must be between over voltage and under voltage set point defined in the inverter. The phase sequence should be appropriate. Usually, a well-maintained old generator will provide appropriate electrical parameters mentioned above. If there is a problem with generator, it keeps frequency hunting once load is added or removed from it. We highly recommend that before integration of PV Genset controller, if generator is frequency hunting, it must be fixed. Thank you.
We have and will be covering more topics related to PV microgrid design, PV Genset controllers and solar SCADA monitoring. Check out this video's description for the links. You can browse this YouTube channel for PV Genset hybrid projects based on Energy PK PV diesel controller. You can also visit our website www.icssww.com for details. For local and international Energy PK PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. We are glad to offer much required solar operation and maintenance SCADA system called PV SCADA Max. PV SCADA Max is a complete O&M SCADA solution for medium, large or very large scale PV solar integration projects. Salient features of PV SCADA Max are high level of scalability from 100 kilowatt to multiple gigawatts, real-time monitoring of each grid-tied solar inverter and its respective strings, real-time alerts and alarm logs in case of any alarms on inverters, real-time monitoring of energy mix between various sources, for example grid, solar and generators against weather data, transparency of energy generation and consumption reporting, historical trending of parameters, integration of data from third-party SCADA control equipment or process-sensitive instruments, fact-based data for root cause analysis. For local and international Energy PK PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. Thank you for your time. Thank you.